Does anyone else have a habit of saving things on Pinterest but never actually doing them? I always see the cutest pictures on Pinterest of puppy Pilates, and I realized that I can also do that if I wanted to. So I booked a class with 313 Wellness. It was a mat Pilates class. It was so much fun, and they had Frenchie puppies, which were the cutest things ever. I always save these things on my Pinterest, but I never actually do them. I always am too shy to actually go out and socialize. But in 2026, we are not doing that anymore. So I stepped out of my comfort zone. I took a group workout class, and I love that it was very beginner friendly and it wasn't intimidating at all. It was really, really fun. And then after class, we had 50 minutes to socialize with the puppies and take all the pictures we wanted. All the girls in the class were so nice. The instructor Sav was amazing. And of course, I was just in heaven with all these cute dogs. So this is your sign to stop saving it and start living it.